Hello guys, welcome once more. It's your favorite guy, Blaze. Today your guy just left Cameroon and he's in Egypt actually. So guys, I'll be doing a quick review of a 3-star 3-bedroom apartment worth $60 in Egypt. You won't believe how classy this place looks like, and you will believe what they have to offer. And for a cost of $60, that's approximately 33,000, 34,000 in CFA. I think that's very fair, because in Cameroon we'll be saying something 70, 80, 90,000 to get something like this. So guys, without wasting much of your time, follow me. Let's see what this place has to offer. Ciao. Right now, this is a kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is not separated from the sitting room. You have a very big fridge, your washing machine, microwave, a sink to clean your dishes, a cooker, an oven. I think basically everything you need, and this is available too. Water warmer for you because the place is actually cold. The temperature goes below 15 degrees, and that's very cold for someone living from Cameroon. So guys, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, this is the external bathroom. As I said, all the bathrooms are actually external because no room has a bath inside. So this is the external bathroom with a water warmer as well, so you have the possibility to have a very warm bath. And this is the master bedroom. Second junior room, as you can see. This has a view to the balcony. Actually, here you have seats where you can come and sit with your friend or whoever you came here with and have a drink while enjoying the view of the pyramid. Welcome once more guys. We just made the tour of the apartment as I promised. So guys, I don't know what you have to say about it. This apartment is 3 rooms, 2 junior rooms and 1 queen room, as it's always called. And it's going to cost us, it has cost us $60 for one night. That's practically 33,000 or 34,000 in CFA. I don't know what you have to say about the 34,000 in CFA. Apartment room, 3 apartment room, big parlor, a multi-purpose kitchen, a view to the pyramid. I don't know how much you have to pay for that in Cameroon, but it's not going to be less than 70,000 in Cameroon. I don't know, I have to weigh my words, but it's not going to be less than 50,000 CFA in Cameroon. So the question I ask myself is, why is infrastructure here cheaper than in Cameroon? I'm not an economist, I will not enter into that detail, but whatever the case, the only remark I can make is the fact that infrastructures are quite cheap. Maybe it's because I'm coming from Cameroon, and I know I'm noticing that because I'm used to the standards in Cameroon and the prices they tax on us in Cameroon. Nevertheless, Who am I to judge? Who am I to ask why? Guys, I'll be bringing more videos for you, so I'll not take much of your time talking, because Egypt, we have a tour in Egypt, and I will bring you a lot of things from Egypt. So guys, stay put, have time. If you are new, subscribe, my friends. Subscribe. See you. Ciao. So guys, I'll be checking out right now. Sorry, Gem Plaza. We have to go to somewhere different. See you.